Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by turning Siri on and confirming permissions so it can hear and respond. Open Settings, go to Siri and search, then enable Listen for Hey Siri and press Side or Home for Siri. This lets you use both hands-free and button activation. Once done, follow the quick training prompts so Siri learns your voice. Make sure language and voice match your accent to improve recognition. These initial steps let you move immediately into using commands and hands-free workflows. Now practice calling Siri and giving clear commands. Say Hey Siri or press the configured button, then ask something simple like set a timer or send a message. Use follow-up questions. Siri keeps context so you don't repeat details. For privacy or noisy places, enable Type to Siri and accessibility to type requests. You can also build shortcuts in the Shortcuts app and allow Siri suggestions to surface automated actions. This speeds routine tasks and ties apps into voice control for complex workflows. Finish by tailoring Siri to your needs and checking privacy. In Settings, pick Siri voice and language and choose when Siri speaks back. This makes interactions clearer for you. Make sure microphone permissions and app access are granted for features you use. If Siri misunderstands often or won't activate, disable Siri, reboot, then re-enable and retrain Hey Siri. That reset usually fixes voice recognition glitches. If problems continue, check network connection because some requests require internet access.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.